So if you're just joining us, we are live, gentlemen, at the Marshall Center.
And glad to be live.
Yeah, absolutely.
Every day I wake up, I'm glad to be live.
We're at the Marshall Center on the campus of USF, and we're at the 11th Annual Men's Health Forum. And the place is just buzzing. I think from the last I heard, the line is still outside the door, around the corner. So men are still coming in. So what an incredible event. So you can still give us a call. If you're local, you can call us at 813-287-5700. Or if you're outside the area, you can give us a call at 877-943-9673. We would love to hear from you. We have some incredible guests with us, and if you have questions for any of our guests, please give us a call. We're delighted right now, gentlemen. We have Philip Harris joining us from Phi Beta Sigma fraternity. Hard for me to say that one. Here we go. I won't go there, but I almost choked up on that one. But thank you, Philip, for joining us. Philip is the event coordinator for the Social Action Committee as a part of Phi Beta Sigma. Thank you, Philip, for being here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So what do you think of this? This is absolutely incredible, isn't it?
This is stellar. This is stellar. The turnout, I've had an opportunity to conversate with quite a few people, and some of those individuals are on both sides of the bay. So our partnership with working with Moffitt for this affair shows us that our work did come to fruition.
Absolutely, absolutely. Anything, guys?
Yeah, you have a relationship already with the fight against cancer with the American Cancer Society last year.
Yes, we do.
Similar to what's funding this show, you had a program that was funded by the American Cancer Society here. Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, in reference to Phi Beta Sigma's partnership with the American Cancer Society, that's an initiative that we've had for almost 15 to 20 years now. It's part of our Sigma Wellness Initiative, and with that being the case, last year we were awarded a grant from the American Cancer Society that talked about colorectal cancer for African American and African American disparities. And with that effort being in place, it was very, very, very important for us to get the awareness about colorectal cancer. Use every avenue that we could, and we partnered with Moffitt Cancer Center. We had the seminar and symposium there at their facility, bringing various different elite doctors on various different areas, phases that individuals will have to go to, and to just bring awareness to them and their families on, what the process may be, to let them know whether it relates to insurance issues that they may be attacked with and having to deal with. But then we also address the avenue of the mental aspect of cancer. So we had clergy there as well, helping them for counseling, emotional distress. We had an element that talked about youth. If my child is having to cope with my mother or father having to deal with cancer, how do I deal and address those specific issues? So we really try to maximize that. And for the guests that were not able to attend there on that day, we actually did an online screen where all across the country people were able to access live as we were showing the symposium.
That's fantastic. That's excellent.
Yeah. Now, even with this, so you took a full body approach.
Yes.
Full self.
Yes.
Approach.
Absolutely.
Because it is more about than just the person who has the cancer. It's everyone else too.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So that's good, man. You guys are doing great work. We hear a lot about you.
Yeah, I thought this, fraternities, like there's some other fraternities, they just out there stepping and stuff. Phi Beta Sigma's out in the community.
Yeah,
I like that.
Absolutely.
I like that.
Well, we do our work. Our motto is culture for service and service for humanity. So that's what our organization really expounds upon. And Dr. Green and his staff has definitely been great to work with. And we're looking forward to continue to partner next year in the future to make these grassroots efforts, because that's what really makes this happen, is that grassroots initiative. You can do all the campaigning, billboards, mainstream media, but you really have to be able to get out there and touch with the people face to face.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Is there a way to make this a duo instead of a trio?
Oh man, come on, man.
Yeah.
Where you going, Dr. Green?
Before you go, Philip, I have to put a plug in. Philip actually helped us to get a segment on ABC Action News. So we really appreciate that. So with your connections, we appreciate that airtime.
Thank you.
Got some very good positive comments about that.
Great,
So
great.
thank you so much. So thanks so much for being with us and the trio.
Oh man.
Yep. All right. So don't touch that dial. We will be right back. We still have some other guests lined up. You're listening to the trio on AM 570 and 910 WTBN. We'll be right back.
With SRN News, I'm Bob Agnew in Washington. More than 24